Good morning, y'all. I am trying super hard. I'm trying super hard to get out of this funk. I think I just need to, I want to take a break. I'm not going to take a YouTube break. I'm not, because it seems like as soon as I start feeling down, the first thing I do is quit YouTube or quit social media altogether. But I'm not gonna do that. I might chill out with Facebook for a while, because that's where the majority of that's where all my family who on the internet, they all on Facebook. So I'm constantly being reminded of my grandmother through looking at Facebook. And y'all, it's hard, man. I didn't think it was gonna be like this hard, but yeah. So y'all give me some video ideas so I can play with my hair for y'all if y'all want to see that. But I got a lot of video ideas. Okay, I wasn't crying. I was kind of laughing it off, y'all. This is how I'm really feeling right now. So, y'all, as y'all can see, I'm still in the bed. It's been so hard to get out of the bed. It's so hard to just get a little bit more pep in my step like normal. But in my bed so comfortable too, y'all. And these braces really getting on my nerves. Like, my teeth been hurting these last couple of days, so eating has been a struggle. I think because these springs right here, they finally working. They supposed to work to push the teeth open, and I think my teeth loosen up enough in the back to start moving. So they kind of like, my teeth kind of like doing like this, opening up, so I can feel the pressure down at the bottom a lot. But how y'all doing this morning? I'm just gonna upload this video because this is as real as it's gonna get right now. And I'm trying, y'all. I need to get up and get myself together and get me something to eat on so I can start my day. This is the 4th day in a row. 4th day in a row that I just been laying in the bed. I'm blank right now. I'm literally blank. And I have so many videos. Let me get up, y'all. Let me get up. Okay, y'all. So I am up. I literally got video ideas and wrote down in my calendar, y'all. If y'all watched me long enough, planner. If y'all watched me long enough, y'all know I got this planner here that I bought from Ross. I just said my teeth hurt. Now I'm gonna knock myself in the face. I got this planner that I bought from Ross. Y'all, let me show y'all. So this is the planner that I had bought in one of those videos. I guess y'all went to Ross with me, and I bought this planner. As you guys can see, I have my grandmother. They made bookmarks for my grandmother, and you know, this was her obituary here, and right here is all of my grandmother's kids, and that's my grandma and granddaddy. Anyways, moving right along. In this planner, this is not a planner video. I'm just going through and showing you guys what I've written down. I really ain't been writing nothing in here, y'all. I don't know what's been going on, but I've been writing my video ideas. Where they at? Over here. What I'm gonna be doing for videos. So if y'all, this is what I had for October and November. I'll just be writing little stuff down as I go along, because as you guys can see, I've been posting videos daily, and I had to keep a lot of videos in my thing because I'm trying to get better on my YouTube channel, y'all. I'm trying to get better on my YouTube channel. So I think I need to start writing here daily, every day, because I have not been writing on each day of what because I've been posting so many videos, I haven't been able to keep up with myself. I just load them and go. So this is November now, and I ain't wrote nothing in November, and I need to. So I think I'm going to go ahead and start in November. And also November got, what a big one's it? Okay, right here are the big pages. Each day I'm supposed to write something down. And as you guys can see, I have not written anything. You're the phone a friend for so many people. No, that's a lie. I didn't write that. That already came in here. I'm not no phone a friend for nothing. So, when I used to deal with anxiety and depression a whole lot, y'all. And in order for me to ease the pain of that, I used to play my Nintendo DS all the time. And that got me through a lot of days. And I like to play the game called Bejeweled. And it would always help me ease my troubling mind. Just showing you guys. So, obviously, I done started playing it again. And, but since I had overcame depression and anxiety and stuff like that, I have not been playing this game. And I enjoy playing this game a lot. But right now, I gotta put on my big girl panties. I'm gonna still play my game though. This is an older game. I need to clean it off, but I was just showing y'all that real quick. In my little book here, y'all. So I need to get up and get myself together, y'all. I just need to do it. I need to do it for the vibe. I just found me some turkey sausage in the refrigerator that I can throw out in the microwave. Put those on the stove for a little minute. Cook them. Let me see if I can find something else. See what I got in here. Found some eggs. Oh, there's 4 in there. I guess that's enough. Give me some eggs and some sausage, baby. Get something going. My kitchen is a mess. I need to wash my dishes, so I guess I do got some things to do, y'all. I guess I do. There's a whole mess in here. But it's all good. Wash these dishes. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna try to put me something together to eat for breakfast. And yep, try to put me a little something together. I found me some sausage in here. Put a little bit of oil. I got to cut my sausage up small because y'all know the braces won't let me chew like bigger pieces of sausage. So, y'all, trying to get myself together. So, gotta get back into the swagger thing, y'all. Gotta get back into the swagger thing. My first instinct was to, okay, take a break. And I don't want to take a break. Put that in there. It'll be alright. What's that on there? Old noodles. Child, I gotta clean up, y'all. Don't mind me. I'm the one gonna eat this. Yeah, my first instinct was to take a break from YouTube. But then I was like, nope, don't do it. Don't do it. Because I was doing good. So I'm gonna continue to do good, okay? I'm gonna continue on my journey. Posting videos like I normally would. Y'all know, y'all just gonna have to bear with me. Some videos might not be as happy. But after this, I'm gonna try to, get it right. I don't know if I'm finna make an omelet or what I'm finna do, but I know these eggs and sausages finna get ate. They finna get ate up today, so. Oh boy. All my dishes dirty, child. I ain't got no fault with it. I ain't washing. Whatever, it is what it is. Gotta wash them as we go. Y'all understand, baby. stir up me a few eggs. Look at that sausage. I should have put some onions in there. That's what I should have did. When I went to the grocery store that time and got that avocado, that's been about a week or so ago. So, I'm going to cut it and see what it look like. If it look like garbage, then... If it look like garbage, then I guess I'll just throw it on the trash. If it's some good, it's going down. I don't know. Y'all. Let's see. Okay, it's decent. It's decent. Yay. Yay, I get to eat some avocado. That made me that made me smile a little bit. I get to eat some avocado now. I need to put some salt and pepper in these eggs here. Y'all, I feel a little bit better. See, when I go without y'all and I say I'm gonna take a break, y'all, when I take a break, because I have no life, and if I take a break away from y'all, I'll probably get into a bigger slump, like for real. No lie. That's why I'm just gonna keep pushing forward and keep bringing these videos out. As y'all, like I said, I was already doing good. I'm doing good as far as my YouTube thing goes and everything. So analytics, I'm gonna say I'm doing good, but I'm doing better than I was doing last month. Okay. I can't say I won't say I ain't doing good, because I'm doing great. I'm doing. I found the bell pepper, so I cut a little piece off of there. So I have something to go in there besides just sausage. So I'm gonna cook them down a little bit so I can be able to bite them. They should be alright because they're so small. So that's my omelet right there. Y'all see that? Let me show y'all. Uh-oh. There you go. Sausage and avocado and pickles. Okay. So I got the stove completely off, y'all, because I didn't want to, like, burn it, because y'all know I didn't want to burn it. It's gonna be a little colored, okay? It's gonna be a little colored. Don't worry about the avocado, because they gonna kind of like, avocado's gonna kind of like melt, so. Yeah, I did get it a little colored. See how I did that? It's all good, because we're gonna mash it back together. That's only because I'm trying to record for y'all and cook it at the same time. It's all good. The stove is completely off, y'all. It's completely 100% off. Maybe I should have just took it out the eye. But anyway, whatever it is, it's gonna get ate, okay? It's gonna get ate. It's gonna get eaten. How about that? Okay. Oh my gosh. It's so big. So that's gonna be it for today, y'all. I'm gonna eat my omelet. My burnt up omelet. See if I can find a plate. I should have kept some of them tomatoes and stuff. I mean them peppers to put on top for garnish. But ain't nobody got time for that. I'm gonna put some parsley flakes on there. Okay. And we're gonna call it a day. Flip it around one more time. Okay, well, they're gonna garnish right there, y'all. That's gonna go on top. That's gonna go on top. Okay. So I got this plate right here, y'all. Look. Got this plate. Y'all can get all this footage today, baby, because, oh, I'm feeling the ways. I'm feeling the ways. Let me get this plate in there. I feel better now, just even doing this much for a video, y'all. I feel better. So, I'm glad y'all was here for me, and y'all been here for me. I've been seeing y'all in the comment section. Y'all excuse me, because y'all know I love my comment section. I really, really do. But responding to these last few videos, it was kind of hard, because I be in my feelings. So I'm coming back. Just keep commenting. I'm still reading. Okay, y'all, that is my breakfast. I appreciate y'all. The Trapeze Red Bull hot sauce is what I can put on it, okay? That's what I can put on it to make it, you know. Gotta get all the grease out of the plate. Alright, y'all. There we go. Breakfast of, that's garnish, y'all. Y'all, I ain't got no life right now. Anyways, I love hot sauce on my omelet. I can't believe I almost forgot. Like, come on, I can't forget. Okay, y'all, that is it for my omelet. I appreciate y'all. I put some ketchup on here too, y'all. Ketchup on my plate, so we can get ready to go down. Well, that's what my plate looked like when I ate all my food. I got me a little water here. I don't know what kind. I'm gonna give Scooby Toe that paper off. Deer Park water is what I was drinking. It's a little tiny ones. I had bought these when we went to Florida, and I put these in the cooler that we had on our trip. They're just a little 8-ounce bottles, so they can fit in the cooler and we can have something to drink. Look, y'all. In this corner right here, I have the plant that I got from my grandmother's funeral. And this is a croton, what I was telling y'all about in my last video. I'm going to get a pretty pot and put it here, and I'm going to keep it right here in my room for now. I don't want to put it outside because it's cold outside. And I remember the winter I had a bunch of crotons outside, and they all died. They all froze. So I don't want that to happen to this one. So I'm going to keep it inside. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Laying down again, but these bracelets give me a run for my money. Not really. I just got through eating, so it's kind of, I probably got food in them and stuff, so I'm going to get ready to go brush my teeth and come back in here and chill out a little bit. It's cold in the house, so I'm probably going to turn the heater on, and so I can thaw out because I'm cold. So coldness don't give me no motivation either, y'all. When it's cold, I don't be motivated to do nothing, okay? I just be froze. So I guess that's just it in this video, y'all. I just had to come show my face today. Say hey to everybody. Hey, y'all. Hey, everybody out there. Thank you guys so much for coming in on my videos, y'all. Y'all forgive me for not replying to y'all, but I have been reading every single comment. It's just been kind of hard for me to get down in the comment section. But y'all stay down there because y'all encourage me and y'all motivate me. And it feels good to, you know, for somebody to drop a line and, you know, I get to read it and stuff. So y'all comment below. Let me know what's going on in y'all life. Because right now ain't nothing going on in mine, but I'm bored. I'm bored in the house and trying to get my motivation. So on the next video, I might just play with my hair. Probably so. It's going to be a little bit more uplifting than this one. But thank y'all so much for watching this video. I appreciate y'all so much. And that's all I got to say. And I will holler at y'all later. Bye.